crash out here. Haven't ran it in like 4 years, so it's probably about to flip over into something retarded. So I have no idea what this car gonna do. But let me see. I'm gonna run it on 4S, and I'm gonna take my time. We're running slow. Just want to get it back. Let's count. Hit track. Hit start. Okay. So there's gonna be a what's that? It's gonna be a soft pass. It's windy out here. It's cold as shit. I ain't gonna even use the whole block because I have no idea what this car gonna do. Ain't nobody coming? Alright, here I come. There's a car coming. I got it turned around. Wait for this car to go by. Try to bring it back. It only did like 60.
Don't crash it.
Maybe should be okay coming back. What's this car go past?
There's a pedestrian on the bike.
Oh. Okay, let's see what that did. I know it was super slow, but let's see. Read 111. Hey, it did 111. Fastest I ever got this car was 137. So, and that was like 5 years ago, but I haven't drove it in about 4 years. But 111 4S got some Basher batteries. I don't even know how I got that fast. But wonder if I want to run it on. Well, thanks everybody for watching. I'm gonna pull out the Limitless and try to run that one. See if that one run a little better than this one. Well, I'm gonna keep working on this car, try to get it in the 150s. I think the fastest one in California that I know of right now is the 150, and it's by Mr. High Power, as far as I know. So I'm going to try to take that down with this one. So thank everybody for watching. I'm out. I'll see y'all in the next video.